Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable a startup programs on Windows 11 using Task Manager. For this, first right click on the free space on the taskbar and select here Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, switch to this one a Startup Apps tab. On the right, you will see all the startup apps and you can see here a status. It is enabled or disabled. You can see the startup impact. If in case it is too high or high, you need to consider that one particular app to disable any programs from a startup. Right click on the program entry and select here disable option. This will disable that particular app from a startup on Windows 11 PC.